Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you simple methods that can fix many common Windows errors. One of the most useful tools is the System File Checker scan. To run it, press the Windows key, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type sfc:/scanno, then press Enter. This will scan your system files and repair any that are missing or corrupted. It takes some time, but once it is done, many errors are automatically fixed. Another helpful step is to use the DSM tool. While still in Command Prompt, type dsm:/online/cleanup image/restore health, then press Enter. This command checks the health of your Windows image and restores it if needed. Running this after the SFC scan can fix deeper problems that SFC alone might not handle. Another method is to run a check on your disk. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type /C/F, then press Enter. This checks your drive for errors and repairs them. It may ask you to restart your computer so it can run before Windows loads. Finally, if problems continue, you can use the built-in troubleshooters. Go to Settings, then System, and choose Troubleshoot. From here, you can run troubleshooters for common issues like internet, audio, or updates. These methods together solve most general Windows errors without needing to know the exact cause. Thanks for watching.